Vanda. Vanda. Hi, dear friends. My name is Paula Hallgrímsdóttir and I am the president of the National League of Iceland, Þjóðarfélag Íslendinga. And it is truly an honor to bring greetings from Þjóðarfélag and the Icelandic National League on this special occasion. The INL of Iceland was founded to strengthen and maintain the deep ties between Iceland and the descendants of in North America. That mission remains at the heart of everything we do. Over the past years, we have had a mission. Over the past years, we have proudly worked to bring our communities closer to organized trips to settlement areas, cultural events, and educational programs that celebrate our shared history and heritage. This past year has been particularly meaningful, as we now mark the 150th anniversary of the founding of New Iceland here in Manitoba. To honor this important mission, Þjóðarfélag Íslendinga organized a cultural night in Reykjavík. We were fortunate to have sorry about that. We were fortunate enough to have some of Iceland's leading cultural figures come join us. Right? The Iceland television personality and historian Egill Helgason, and the musician Björn Thor. They shared their personal ties to North America and reflected on the powerful legacy of the Icelandic. It was a truly special evening, and the overwhelming response reminded us of how deeply these connections still run between our communities. Another cornerstone of our shared effort has been the Snorri program, a collaboration between the INL of Iceland and the Nordic Association in Iceland. For more than 25 years, these programs have offered young people of Icelandic descent the opportunity to connect with their roots in Iceland. The Snorri programs have proven again and again the tremendous value, fostering lifelong friendship, cultural pride, and a vibrant bridge between North America and Iceland. And dear friends, I would like to take a moment to share my personal journey within this community. I first became involved as a project manager for the Snorri programs in February 2020. A role I took in with great excitement. However, only a few weeks later, the world changed with the onset of COVID-19. And sadly, we had to cancel our programs for 2 years. It was a difficult and uncertain time for all of us, but in 2022, I had the privilege of welcoming the biggest Snorri group. It was an unforgettable experience, a true celebration of resilience, hope, and community spirit. And in that regard, I want to show you a short video clip. It's a footage from a famous show in Iceland called Landin. It is our national broadcasting service. And it is from 2022. It was featured when the Snorri group was going to Drangey. And I apologize in advance that a little part of it is in Icelandic and doesn't have subtitles, but that's just me explaining the program, the Snorri program, to the Icelanders. Mostly it is in English.
integration is very fundamental structure. Ora dobbiamo fare ciò che è una termine del chiamato la difesa, fare la verità, gli altri fatti che la data driven, poi and appunto how to provide provide
and 20 years ago, she actually came to Canada and stayed with my aunt and many of my friends. She had only been born. And finished COVID and we got there.
People didn't have no idea what to do, and they had no idea that they existed and immigrated to America.
Tengo más o hasta comenzar a hacer a hacer como país más beta.
My dad, later COVID, was trying to figure out at Iceland and was looking at systems and stuff, got out of the current program. Because we're not talking about Iceland. And so now I've been able to come on trips and learn why she left. Not worried exactly enough about the program, like. Didn't know much about it.
My hometown is Mountain. We have all the had
So I also feel interested in learning about your origin.
no, now we're here.
Okay, you speak Icelandic.
Yeah, we always
When you in Canada, what's that where you learn to speak Icelandic with your family?
visible. I was younger kid, my mom, she got me, and she was really one when I was younger. She made sure I. It's a very good base.
I was just interested in going to Iceland because it seemed amazing and just the fact that myself to me, there's almost things here. It's not going to do that. I want to do that, I want to bring it to my head.
Poi vabbè, se va a essere servizio, un po' la situazione, questo è una massima di fare di fare una cosa.
Poi voglio fare questo.
Perché anche di fare spara a tutto.
Like an amazing, impossible to do.
So would you come back?
Yeah.
Are you glad?
More time here.
My goal is actually to teach at Haskell Eastland. Making connections with professors there, do some studying lab work here, and take the geology that I've done in the States, and bring it over here.
Is it happening?
Yeah, exactly.
What has been the most surprising thing about this thing? Okay, we'll follow this here. Nature.
Yeah, the people. Feel home, comfortable, confident, scared.
Yes, and just to be told that Tiffany here, she's going to Iceland this summer to participate in the Snorri alumni. To say how to Reykjavik, so she is coming back. But after stepping down from my role as the project manager, I'm incredibly fortunate to continue contributing to this meaningful work that we're doing here as a board member of the Schneider programs and the IML license. This opportunity is giving me so much. Friendship that I treasure, knowledge that I deeply value, and a great sense of purpose and belonging within this wonderful community. For all of this, I am truly thankful. And I am excited for the future, for the continued collaboration between our organizations, for the young people yet to discover their roots, for the generations who will carry our shared legacy forward. On behalf of the Constellation Inca, thank you for your warm hospitality and friendship, your dedication and your partnership. Together, we honor the past and we celebrate the present and we build a future for enduring connection. May the ties that bind us across oceans and generations continue to grow stronger with every step we take together. And with that ending, I just want to hope that everyone will come, or at least everyone are welcome to come to our INL Iceland Convention, September 7th at Hotel Natura. Thank you.